Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels, brushed aluminum running boards, a black MB text interior with an anthracite poplar trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, fold down third row seats, trailer hitch, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, cargo cover, blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual clamp controls, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS has 21,682 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.